Okay, so this is Coordinate Planes Part 2 with Miss Mac. So on the first one, we talked about how to identify the ordered pair when given a point. And so now we're going to discuss on how to, which is basically the same thing, but we're going to go opposite this time. So they give us a point, and we're going to simply plot the point. Okay, so again, we're always going to start in my origin, and the best thing is if you need to label, so I know my positive, positive, negative, negative, and that way you can know which direction to go. And again, always remember you have your X, you have your Y. Your X comes first, so that means I'm going to go on my X-axis first, and then my Y-axis vertical second. Okay, so let's look at my first number. So I'm starting at my 0, 0, my origin, and it's a positive 5. So that means I'm going to go over positive 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then since it's a negative 6, I'm going to go down 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's point A. Let's go ahead, let's look at the others. So again, start at 0, 0. It's a negative 1. My negatives are to the left, so I'm going to go over 1. And then I'm going to go down 3 because it's negative down. 1, 2, 3. Start at my origin. I don't move anything on my x-axis because it's a 0. But I do move down 6 on my y-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's keep going. Start at my origin. It's a negative 2. So I'm going to go in my left direction 2 times. 1, 2. It's a positive 2, so I go up 2. 1, 2. And that's point D. Let's finish up these last 3. Again, start at your 0, 0. It's a positive 3. 1, 2, 3, and 0. So I don't go up or down. I'm going to stay right there. E. Moving on. F. Positive 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Positive 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. F. And my last one, again, start at your origin, 0, 0. It's a negative 3. So 1, 2, 3, and a negative 7. So therefore, I'm going to move down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.